Hey there, tech enthusiasts and iPhone lovers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of smartphones, specifically Apple's latest budget-friendly offering, the iPhone 17e. But this isn't just any ordinary phone launch. It's a story of innovation, durability, and the power of exclusive partnerships. So, buckle up as we explore the secrets behind this device's cover glass and the company that makes it all possible. Imagine a smartphone that not only looks sleek, but also boasts an incredible level of durability. That's exactly what Apple has achieved with the iPhone 17e. Retailing at a very competitive price of $599, this phone packs a punch with its 256GB space storage, which is double the capacity of its predecessor, the iPhone 16e. But the real star of the show is its front cover glass, manufactured by none other than BIEL Crystal. Now, here's where things get interesting. BIEL Crystal has developed a super hard coating technology known as Ceramic Shield 2, which provides 3 times better scratch resistance compared to the previous generation, Ceramic Shield 1. This is a massive upgrade, and it's no wonder Apple has chosen BIEL Crystal as its exclusive supplier for the iPhone 17e's cover glass. In fact, this isn't the first time Apple has trusted BIEL Crystal. They've been partners since the launch of the iPhone 16e in 2025. But who is BIEL Crystal, and why are they so trusted in the industry? Well, my friends, this company is a global leader in exterior structure and module solutions for smart devices. They've got their fingers in many pies, from consumer electronics to smart wearables, AR/VR glasses, and even next-generation automotive applications. And they've earned the trust of industry giants like Apple, Samsung, Meta, and Tesla. With over 30 years of technological innovation and an impressive global footprint, BIEL Crystal has become a powerhouse in the tech world. Now, let's talk about the implications of this exclusive partnership. When a company like Apple chooses an exclusive supplier, it's a big deal. It speaks volumes about the quality and reliability of BIEL Crystal's products. And for consumers, it means a more durable and reliable smartphone experience. But it also raises questions about the future of smartphone design and the role of exclusive partnerships in driving innovation. In my opinion, this is a prime example of how collaboration between tech giants can lead to incredible advancements. It's not just about the hardware. It's about the trust and expertise that companies like BIEL Crystal bring to the table. And as we continue to see more exclusive partnerships in the tech industry, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations in the years to come. So, there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of iPhone 17e's cover glass and the story behind its manufacturer, BIEL Crystal. It's a fascinating glimpse into the behind-the-scenes world of smartphone development and the power of exclusive partnerships. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Closing shot of the iPhone 17e with a subtle logo reveal of the channel.